Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you baby registry Amazon how to. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to create a baby registry, first what you need to do is open up your browser and then on the search bar simply type in amazon.com, meaning open up your Amazon account in your browser, and once it loads, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and once you tap on it here, scroll down and then on the top departments tap on see all, and once you tap on it, scroll down until you find the option that says baby registry. Now simply tap on that, and once you're inside this page, you'll be seeing option that says create a baby registry. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that here, all you gotta do is just simply scroll down and then fill in the details that you want, like expected arrival date, is this your first child, something like this. Once you have done and selected all these options, all you gotta do now is tap on create my baby registry, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.